Welcome to Bright Idea Hackathon 5, where our newest features for judges are designed to make your hackathon experience smooth sailing. Judging is a critical part of any hackathon, and now it's faster and more intuitive than ever. Judges can be given links directly to their task at hand to instantly start evaluation. We've redesigned the judging experience to be responsive and optimized on iPads and tablets in a horizontal orientation for convenience. We've streamlined the evaluation process with pre-configured judging slider scales and criteria, minimizing the time judges need to write in feedback for each submission. But busy executives don't always want to type. That's why we've developed a new audio comments feature. With audio comments, judges can now leave richer feedback with ease. Judges simply click on the microphone icon and record a note.
This project looks good. Try adding more engineers for development.
They can also append more audio to the same note before submitting it by clicking on the microphone icon again.
I also recommend adding a program manager to the project.
Before submitting the audio file, judges can set the permission of the audio note by clicking on the pencil icon. Once confirming, teams will then get the audio file as a comment on their project, offering a more nuanced evaluation than traditional text comments provides. Set sail for hackathon success. Bright Idea Hackathon 5 has everything you need to make innovation smooth and impactful. Let's get started.